Sanibonani ekhaya. Igama lami MK. Um ngokwe-ID Luyanda Philiso. Ngihlala la eThokoza ePolar Park. I am a digital content creator, a community storyteller, and also event or talent promoter. Today it's day one. Actually, I'm doing a walk 783 kilometers from here Thokoza to Elliot Eastern Cape. Uh, the purpose of the work is actually to raise the awareness of the struggles that we are facing as content creators and stuff. So what I am actually looking for, say sponsorship, say travel and accommodation, meaning it's a vehicle, and also a property where we'll be able to do our podcast and also a production. And the other thing that we're also looking for, fans, we want to raise the funds to actually upgrade the studio equipment that I'm actually using. Um, I'm doing this campaign because I've been getting a lot of my invites from all over South Africa to actually come and promote either the event or a talent or Leo community initiative or Leo project Leo or Leo campaign aims or community. So I often face struggles to actually get to our destinations now. So that is why I'm actually looking for a sponsorship semoto. So I'm taking this walk going to Eastern Cape. Today is day one. I'll be leaving up until 6 o'clock. It's now quarter to 6. So in 15 minutes I'll be leaving the house going lapayana. So guys, bengicela ukuthi ningisupporte. Ngicela ukuthi ningisupporte by this way. On TikTok, I'm actually looking for 100,000 followers. On Facebook, I'm looking for 100,000 followers as well, and also on YouTube I'm looking for 100k subscribers. So bafethu, even if awunayo isenti ukuthi mhlawumbe ungakhona ukusupporta ngayo along the way, cela ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe guys, because i-subscription yakho or kungifollowa kwakho means ukuthi ngishaya isipani bafethu. So ngicela ukuthi ningisupport, ngicela ukuthi nihambe nami ningikhaphe guys. I'll be giving you ama-updates ke up until ngiyofika ekhaya. Today is i-1 zaka-January, so to everyone, happy new year bafethu. Singenile, so it's up to us now ukuthi ekungeneni kwethu siphuma kanjani or siyenza kanjani. But ngicela ukuhamba nani guys. I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyani-update each and every step of the way. So ngiyabonga from myself.